YouTube family. We are here at this Wahclella Falls, and this is another YouTube Explorer. We're going to be following along the river here, and it's going to take us to a trail along over there, and then take us to a fall. Alright, so we'll see you in a minute. Yep, so we've got about a mile to go. 2-mile round trip on a beautiful, beautiful day. So, take you with us. We're going to show everybody around the mountains, little views. So we came state park. You got to pay a fee, but you could park up the hill there and not pay anything. So we're gonna go. All right, just show you that. I don't know if you can see it. How high up it goes. It's beautiful. It's definitely worth being out here. Uh-oh. Alright. It's a little log path. If you're feeling gutsy to do that, I've seen a couple people do that. It doesn't take you very much just to go over there. We're going to be heading that way, so we'll see you up there. It's a beautiful day. You cannot miss this. We came from over there. Beautiful, beautiful river running along a mountainside, as you can see. Heading to the Wahclella Falls. I'm going to head down that way. Alright. Here we are at a little dam. Wahclella Falls. Little dam in there. They got it blocked off so people don't go in there. Here's the other side, big old cliff side. And that's where we came from. And then we got to go up there. Oh, we're going to cross a little bridge here, Riken. We're gonna cross this bridge, but we don't want to get into people's way. So we'll pause it and we'll see you under there. Alright, here's a little wilderness dedicated to Mark Hatfield. Isn't that like the Hatfield and the McCoys? And you'll get rewarded. Oh man, look at that. Watch out behind you, buddy.
I've never been inside waterfall this close before. Wow!
Alright, well, you're on YouTube now, so. Oh well. Exploring with Pudgy Jr. Look at that, there's Pudgy standing next to the bridge. You like it, Pudgy? Alright, we're going to pause it here for a minute. That's where we came from, and we're going to head back the other way. Yeah, it's a little rock face, and it's got some water dripping down it, little holes up there.
Are you going to take a picture with me inside that?
You want to go in there?
Yes.
Watch out for the vines, trip over them. If you're going, you better hurry up. Can't be afraid of no little water boy. Alright, there's Pudgy inside of a little cave there. Alright. Alright, that's where Pudgy came from. Cave there. That's the trail we came from. It's a little bridge that we crossed. You kind of see the waterfall there. One of the waterfalls. That's not the Wahclella Falls. We still got a little bit of a hike to go. And we're heading up, gonna head up that way. So we'll see you up there in a minute. Look, that's pretty neat. What do you think, Pudgy?
I like it.
Like a little fork there.
Yeah, it looks like one.
We gotta head up there. You'll be rewarded, that's for sure. Alright, we just came from down there. I'm doing this in increments because there's a lot of people on this trail, and I don't know how many people want to be filmed. Woo! I'm out of breath because, as you can see, I'm going up this 1,000-foot mountain.
You're gonna make it.
With Pudgy. Came from down there. Swing you around. We gotta head up over that way. And hopefully we'll be rewarded with a good view. Me and Pudgy are sitting down relaxing on the cliff edge here. Alongside this little mountain. Look how steep it is down there. We got a little bit more to go. We got that hill and the hill right there. We just spoke to another lady that's walking. She said about 10 more minute walking and we're good. So he's getting his little hole there, Reiki. And we came from there, down there. Reiki's in his hole. And then we climbed up all this hill. We thought we was done. Then we got steps. We got the steps, and then the view was worth it. So we'll go up the steps. We'll see you up there. Alright, so we just came along Yeah, we're pretty high up, ain't we? This very gap in between these trees that were previously burnt. And then you gotta be very careful along this edge. You can see this edge, how this trail is very, very steep. We are still not even at the waterfall yet.
I think I didn't even need to bring a jacket. It's already hot here.
I know. I didn't think we were going to need it. Let's go down here and show people this little drips. Look. See how it flattens out up there? It's probably like a little pool of fresh water. Look how high up it is though, dude. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we gotta finish going up that way and then see you there. Oh man, check this beauty out. Oh yeah. Check it out. We're gonna go down and we're gonna come back up that. Not to mention that me and Pudge just came from over there. So Pudge, who do we want to get a shout out to today? Utepia?
Yes.
So David, Utepia, remember how he's saying we don't get no exercise?
Well, here we go.
Well, eat this out there, David at Utepia. Make sure y'all give him a shout out. Very nice guy. This is a mile-long trail and a mile-long back. I can kind of see it. See there, we gotta go up that little hill over there. There's the waterfall in the background. We go through like a little thing there. We gotta cross this bridge down there. There's more trails going down.
This is not gonna work. This is not gonna be worth it.
It is gonna be worth it. This is a good film, Pudgy.
It's not.
We're gonna get McDonald's after this. But you gotta complete the trail for that reward. So while we do that mile hike, it's rewards every penny. Yeah, we gotta go down there, swirl around and come back, cross the bridge, go up that hill, come around, come back up this way. Or I think if we're already going up that hill, Riken, see the bridge over there at the edge? Inside the cave there, it goes along this way. So if we're going to be up there, we might as well do the loop and come back this way. That way we don't have to come back down and back up. So let's, I know we can stay. Look at that. It's just all worth it.
Not worth it.
Pudgy don't like it. We got to come down that hill, which came up from over there. Yep. Just to see this glorified waterfall and river. Ooh, it's beautiful. And look, we gotta cross that bridge and go up one more big hill. Pudgy says, oh no.
I want to have McDonald's for a week and a half.
I ain't giving you McDonald's.
For a week.
Oh, look at this bridge. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna film us. See? Filming us. Me and Pudgy Jr.
Yep.
We're sitting down chilling.
Yep, and I am the highest.
Look. Oh yeah.
I am the highest peak that you can ever sit on.
We gotta do that one more hill, that's it. That'd be nice to jump into if it's summertime. Uh-oh, somebody fell.
Look how high we are. We are so...
Alright, we just came from over there. That bridge came up the hill. Reckon made it. We made it. Huh. We got a lady over there sitting on a rock taking pictures. And then we're gonna go this way. Oh.
It's gonna take forever.
And then I think that once you go up that hill, over there by that bridge. It's all downhill.
Oh, downhill.
Yep.
That's everything.
It is very cold.
What's cat?
All right. So we're filming
Looks like a dog.
way up there. Must be a tree that fell down the cliffside.
Right there. Looks like a dog cat.
Oh yeah. We got to the bridge and
Behind you.
there's the waterfall. Woohoo!
Behind you.
I see, buddy. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, it's really rocky over here. Alright, so we're gonna go head to that. There's a little bridge over there. We'll meet you over there. So, this is worth it right here. Beautiful view. It is chilly over here though. Look at all that mountain. Woo! Little cave outcropping. Look at all these trees came from the top, man. Must have been from the storm. Look at that. That's crazy. Alright. Alright. Can you go any further in there?
Yeah.
Oh man, it goes way back in there, Riken.
I don't want to go.
Yeah, well, be careful, you can just slide down. That's slippery, dude.
I'm gonna take the other route.
Look at that. That's probably a cave in there.
A caveman?
Cave in there or something. Animal, bear. I don't know how far the back it goes. It goes back. Technically, this is our kind of like our first cave that we've been in.
Yeah, and I just went all the way in there.
You didn't go all the way in there, but you went pretty good far in there. I want to know what's behind that curve. I see a curve in the corner. You can't see it roll on the camera, but it turns to the right over there. And yeah, we're underneath the cave.
Maybe
Really cool.
used to live in there.
Maybe prehistoric time.
I'm in mud heaven also. Mud.
We just came from that.
Maybe the caveman was trying to make a huge entire fire.
I don't know. It's enough firewood for us. It's probably kind of wet. It probably won't light very well.
Maybe the caveman was trying to do that.
But look at that. That's, see that mud kicked up?
Yeah.
That's human. That's a human trail. Somebody did that with their shoes to go up there. And now we're heading over to this bridge. We're gonna cross another bridge. All right, you gotta be careful, I reckon, because this is really, really rocky. Woo! Really slippery, bro. Woo! All right. Okay. Whenever you can't climb like that and you feel like you're gonna slip, you always just sit on your butt. Well, yeah, you climb up. But this is worth it, see? This is where we're going. Wow. See, we came from over there.
That was like a huge alien head right there.
We gotta hurry up because we're gonna get some sunlight. Yeah.
Alien head.
Probably is an alien in here. All right. All right, you gotta be careful. Uncle Brandon's shoes. Uncle Brandon's shoes are very slippery. They're already falling off my
I
feet.
need to eat this.
No. Be careful. You twist your foot. I can't carry you. All right. Look at that. Alright, that's what we came here for. People being crafty over there. Look at that. It's worth it. What we came here for, Riken. You see it? Riken, say hi. Hi. Stay there. Don't go without Uncle Brandon. Let him film all this. Whew. So I gotta catch my breath. Come from down there, it's really rocky. And then we gotta go up there, and then go up there, and then zigzag up there. When we get to that bridge over there, it's all downhill. So we'll see you there. All right, hello again. We're at the top of that bridge we showed you earlier. We're way down there. I don't know if you can see it. Me and Riken came from over there, down there.
It's up here.
It's up here. So it's really rocky, but in the summertime, it's worth it. In the fall, yep. Make sure you bring a jacket. And then we'll do a special shout out to somebody at the end of the film. Yeah, we're on this bridge, really way down there. Look how narrow it is. Riken's already over there, right there. No, get off that, you don't climb things. Look how narrow this bridge is, oh my God. I don't even fit on the bridge. Alright, we're going to turn around and show them the bridge. Oh. Well, be careful, it's all downhill now, boy. Alright, we showed them the bridge. Big old redhead's in the way. There it is. It's a very narrow bridge. We're going to head, sorry about the light, head down that way. So, we'll see you in a little bit. Look at that, another tree. This will meet up to that trail when we did this thing. So we go down a little bit and then up, and then the rest of it should be down. Remember, look, we went all the way down this trail and went down that way.
Yeah.
And crossed the bridge way over there to get all of that. And there's still mountains way up there to go. So this is where they had a little bit of fire. You can see some of the burnt trees. So definitely a shout out to whoever crafted this trail. They are truly hard workers. Alright, so we just came from up there. We gotta head out there because it's getting ready to get dawn. Sun's going down. So we're in our favorite spot that we had before we went up. Alright, we came from up there. Alright, sorry about the cutoff on the last video, but we're at the end of the Wahclella Falls, and we did the trail. 1 mile up, 1 mile back down. But they do not account for the elevation changes, so it goes up 300, 400 feet, down, up, down. But we hope you like it. We'll put it all together for you. Riken wants to say something.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, and a shout out to our buddy David at Utopia.
Yep. On Amazon Live.
On Amazon Live. Alright, we'll catch y'all later. You have a good one. See you on the next journey.
Bye.